What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2017 Nissan Titan. So like I said, it's a 17 Titan in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So you'll need the vehicle either on or running, and then we'll be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, and we'll be looking at the center screen of our dash. So the first thing we're going to do is use these buttons and either scroll left or right. Both will take you to the same place. Scroll left or right and keep scrolling until we get to the settings menu here. Once we're on the settings menu, I'm going to come up here and use this button to scroll down and keep scrolling down until we get to the maintenance menu. Then I'm going to press that button in. And that takes us to the maintenance menu. We see oil and filter is the top items already highlighted. So I'll press enter again. And here you see it's already been reset. There's 0 out of the 5,000 miles. You can see the 5,000 miles highlighted in orange there. If you press enter, that's where you can change the mileage. I'm going to leave this at 5,000. Then what I'm going to do is use this button to scroll down. We have reset highlighted. And then I'll just press that button in for enter. It's asking me, are you sure you want to reset? Scroll up. Till yes is highlighted, press enter. And then if it was not already at 0 of 5,000 miles, that's what you'd be seeing there. And it's been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.